Buying clothes. Easy English dialogue.
Hello. Welcome to our store. Hello. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. Just looking around. Take your time. Let me know if you need help. Actually, yes, I'm looking for a shirt. Sure. What kind of shirt do you want? Something simple and comfortable. I want to wear it every day. Casual shirts are right here. There are so many choices. Yes, we have different colors and styles. I like soft colors, nothing too bright. Blue, white, and gray are popular. I like blue. Blue is easy to match with jeans or pants. That's good. I want something easy to wear. This one looks nice. That is cotton, very soft and breathable. It feels light. Perfect for warm weather. Can I try this? Of course. The fitting room is over there. Thank you.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
this shirt feels too small.
What size did you try?
Small.
What size do you usually wear?
Medium, I think.
Let me find a medium. Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like to try it again?
Yes.
How does it feel now?
It fits better, but it's tight when I move my arms.
You might want a larger size.
Yes, I prefer comfort.
I understand. Try this one.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem at all. How is it?
Much better. I can move easily.
That sounds perfect.
Comfort is important for me.
You chose the right size.
That looks great on you. Thank you. I like it. The color suits your style. I feel comfortable in it. Are you deciding? Yes, I also saw a white shirt earlier. Do you want to compare them? Yes, please. The white one looks more formal. I see the difference. The blue one looks casual and relaxed. I wear casual clothes most of the time. Then blue is a good everyday choice. I agree. It feels nice when I sit and move. That means it fits well. I don't like tight clothes. Comfort always comes first. Yes, I think I will buy this one. Good decision.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
Let me scan it. It costs $25.
Okay.
Today we have a special discount.
Really?
Yes, 10% off.
That's nice.
The final price is $22.50.
That's reasonable.
It's good quality cotton.
I want something durable.
This shirt lasts a long time.
Perfect.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, please.
Your total is $22.50. I'll pay by card. Please tap your card here. Payment approved. Thank you. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Here is your receipt. Thank you very much. Keep the receipt in case you want to exchange. That's good to know. Have a wonderful day. You too. Buying clothes in English feels easy now.